I'm Formula Fan. Hey, hello. Welcome back to Formula Fan channel. Today is the day. Today, I'm just having a good day for my work. And, Rocky the chicken, shut up. I'm just saying. Whoa. Someone's being my two Simon and Rocky are having an argument. Let's talk to my friends. Of course he's not dead. He's in storage. What? And he's our friend. What? I told you. I know. But what's all the shouting about? Oh, Formula Fan. Rocky says if Buddy's in storage and he's imagined him being dead, Rocky the chicken, stop it! Oh, sorry, Formula Fan. No! Say something to me and Simon and everybody else. Sorry, Formula. No! Go on a timeout area. What? And don't speak to me until after halftime. What? Oh, I'm sorry, Simon. Sorry I shouted at Rocky. Oh, that's okay, what? But have a nice work. Yep. I'm having a nice work. I made chocolate. No, I made spaghetti and bolognese, and they cook some cakes. Cakes? What cakes? Red velvet and chocolate cake or chocolate brownie. Wow, haha. I love to cook that. Gecko likes spaghetti and bolognese. Spaghetti? Bolognese? Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Oh, it's a fantastic goal. Oh. How you make it, Formula Fan? How you make it? Well, Gecko, it starts by chopping the vegetables. Can I speak in Italy words? I'll talk about the French words. Okay, so what do you chop the vegetables? Then what? I use the mince. You chop. I know you're chopping. You chop in the onion, and you chop up the carrot, and you chopped up the garlic and the celery. And you chop. Chop the vegetables, yeah, and go into the saucepan. Yes, what? That's what you said. How do you know that, Gecko? No, I just read the menu and just said what I being cooked. Cause I like the spaghetti and bolognese. That's my Italian favorite food dish. Cause I have it since 2003. It was fantastical in Italy. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. It's fantastical. So, next time, I'm gonna put pasta, sausage, and sauce. Let's make up both vegetables, onion, celery, carrot, onion. Wow. It's gonna be a great great big dish. I must be going now. Bye, Simon. Bye, Formula Fan. Bye, Gecko. The Italian and French lizard. Bye, Gecko. Bye-bye. Bye. So, what am I gonna do today, Formula Fan? Relaxing day. But Formula Fan, you had a big day of work. What are we gonna do today in half term? I know what we can do. Filming all this half term. Wow, Formula Fan. Is Rocky get grounded? He's grounded until after half term. He missed all the fun. Cause what you said to Spuddy? And I saw him still crying. Just now. Yeah. What is that, Formula Fan? That is the alarm clock. Do you want to hear it, Simon? Oh, yeah, what? Let me hear it. Hey, wow, I got an idea today, Formula Fan. What is it? Today, we just listen to your alarm sound effects. That's a great idea, Simon, because we don't have game challenge. The games are in the storage. Oh. Hey, let's listen. Your phone is such an amazing thing, Formula Fan. What? I know. I like sound effects, right? Let's do today video sound effects. That's a great idea, Simon. Let's get more sound effects from our friends. That's a great idea, Formula Fan. Don't worry, viewers. Today is the sound effects day. Just like Gecko's laughing. Oh yeah, Gecko. Wow. Okay, let's get started. Hiya. Rocky. Don't listen to him. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna get some sound effects from our friends. We see. Fantastico. That's your sound effects. Yes, catchphrase. Let's see someone else. What about the little R2-D2? Come out the light, R2.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
Well, that's R2-D2's one. Anything more, R2? Anything more sound effects? I don't think I have more. Screaming sound effects, whack. So thanks, R2. What about 3PO? Yes, C-3PO. The human cyborg relations. Turn it on, Formula fan. Okay.
I am C-3PO, human cyborg relations.
He's got lots of sound effects.
Here we go again. I am fluent in 6 million forms of communication. Wait for me! Wait! Stop! R2-D2, where are you? I don't like the look of this. Where is R2 when I need him? I've got to rest before I fall apart. My joints are almost frozen. Oh my, I've forgotten how much I hate space travel. I'm going to regret this. I am fluent in 6 million forms of communication. If you'll not be needing me, I'll close down for a while. I don't like the look of this.
Thanks, C-3PO. What?
Here we go again.
What about BB-8? I'm gonna get him. Okay, what? BB-8. More sound effects from you, man. Here you go, BB-8. Okay, BB-8. What? Show us some sound effects. From the fan tap his head. Again, BB-8. Okay, here we go. Thank you, BB-8. Now who's next? What? I know. The AT-AT U command remote control. Yes, he's got lots of sound effects and cool moves. Let's go and get him. AT-AT, show us your move. What? Formula Fan? Yeah? Just follow him. Okay. Play your cool sound effects. What? Is there anything else with the sound effects? Yes, Tails and Stormtrooper. Okay.
You need to get a light on.
Okay, where's the Stormtrooper? Okay, Stormtrooper. Get another sound effects from you. Hey Simon, you got your own sound effects. Yes, we like to do sound effects today. And talk effects. Thanks, Stormtrooper. Thank you, Stormtrooper. Okay. Is Tails have sound effects? I don't think so. Tails, do you have sound effects? No, sorry. Okay. So, anything more from our friends? Hang on. Move along. Thanks, Stormtrooper. Gecko? I got that already. Rocky? I'm so sorry. Oh, that's okay. You can talk to me every time. Whack. But don't say that word again. Whack. Okay. What's your favorite sound effect? Whack. That's my sound effect. Oh, we had fun today, Formula fans. We certainly does. Well, that's it. Hey, don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye. Au revoir. Adios. Oui. Bye-bye.